In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install the Plus500 app on your Android phone. So if you're interested in getting into the trading markets and you want to download the Plus500 app, you can either go to the Plus500 website and then click on the download app button. But the much more simpler way is just to go to the Google Play Store, and then you just want to search in the Play Store for Plus500. It's going to pop up there. You just want to tap on search, and then you can tap on it once you found it. And then once you are on this page, you can see it says install in green. Go ahead and tap on install. It's going to say pending for a moment, and then the download will start to begin, and the download is busy completing now, so I'll just give that some time to finish. Okay, so it's 94% of the download is finished, so it's completing up right now. Now you can see it says installing, so it's installing the Plus500 app onto my Android phone, and it has successfully installed. And then you can go ahead, once it's installed, go ahead and tap on the open button. And then you can go ahead and either create a real account or a demo account to start trading with Plus500. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.